Welcome to our channel. Connecting your Apple TV to Wi-Fi is a straightforward process that allows you to stream all your favorite content. Let's walk through each step to get you connected quickly. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and ensure your television is set to the correct HDMI input where your Apple TV is connected. Step 2. From the Apple TV home screen, navigate to the Settings app by scrolling and selecting it with your remote. Step 3. In the Settings menu, select Network to access your wireless connection options. Step 4. Choose Wi-Fi from the list of network options. You'll see a list of available wireless networks in your area. Step 5. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. If you don't see it, make sure your router is powered on and broadcasting. Step 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Take your time to input it correctly, as passwords are case-sensitive. Step 7. After entering the password, select Connect. Your Apple TV will attempt to establish a connection to your network. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation message indicating successful connection. Once connected, you can start enjoying streaming services immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.